Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said one rank, one pension may cost the government 10,000 crore rupees, but it's the pride of the veterans for which they've announced this money. The pride is priceless. Army veterans plan to go ahead with their Pan-India rally for one rank, one pension tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a rally in Chandigarh gave credit for one rank, one pension, saying that they promised they will work out one rank, one pension as soon as they assume office, and they delivered. The veterans have said only if the Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar had met them and agreed to all their points, they will not go ahead with their rally. Now, there is a divide amongst the veterans community over the continuation of the agitation. The veterans have put forward 7 points to the government. They've alleged that the centre's calculation of expenses of one rank, one pension is twisted, and they find the government not open to their ideas. Now, while sharing the details of working out one rank, one pension, government sources have asked veterans not to go ahead with their rally. They believe that OROP protests now are politically motivated.
जब हमने सुना कि पुरानी सरकार ने 500 करोड़ का ओआरओपी घोषित किया है, तो हमें लगता था कि शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये 500 करोड़ में तो होगा नहीं। लेकिन जब हम हिसाब लगाने बैठे तो मामला 10,000 करोड़ तक पहुंचने पर गया है। 10,000 करोड़ तक। भारत जैसे देश के लिए ये रकम छोटी नहीं है, लेकिन देश की रक्षा के लिए जीवन खपाने वालों की जिंदगी इससे ज्यादा मूल्यवान होती है।
अगर वो हमें बुलाते हैं और 7 पॉइंट को सुनते हैं और हमें पूरा यकीन है कि वो 7 पॉइंट जायज है, अगर वो पॉइंटों को खत्म कर देते हैं तो हम 1 मिनट भी नहीं लेंगे, अपनी एजिटेशन को वापस ले लेंगे और हम कल की जो रैली है उसको भी वापस ले लेंगे।
Now, the government insists it will implement one rank, one pension. The centre hasn't been able to convince all these veterans. They're already saying that the government is not open to their ideas. Now, in the run-up to Bihar elections, are veterans now going to protest against the government in Bihar? The government has already come out with advertisements, including posters that boast of one rank, one pension announcement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP's ad campaign in Bihar for the past 3 weeks has boasted of a 1.25 lakh crore rupee special package. But now with them appears this new ad of one rank, one pension. The BJP is all set to take on the Nitish Kumar government with development as their motto.
अभी वन रैंक वन पेंशन पे जो एक ऐतिहासिक निर्णय लिया गया है, उसके संदर्भ में बहुत कुछ आपने सुना होगा, देखा होगा, आप इस स्टोरी को फॉलो कर रहे हैं। इसमें एक हमारे बिहार, ये आपको जानकारी दे दूं कि बिहार में कोई करीबन नियरली 3 लाख लोगों का इसमें फ़ायदा होने वाला है।